Most small business owners think that their website is just a tool until it's time to switch platforms. Some of them makes it easy, while others make it hard. In today's video, I'll be ranking the easiest to the hardest to transfer. Number 1 is WordPress. With WordPress, you pretty much own your content, your structure, your URL, your SEO, everything is yours. So when it comes time to transfer, chances of it breaking is very little to none. Next, we talk about Webflow. With Webflow, it's a great platform for plug and play, and you probably will be able to transfer your structure, your content, your information, but when it comes to your actual template, that might break. Third on the list is Shopify. With Shopify, another great platform, but it's very dependent on their builders, their apps, their themes. So when it comes times to transfer, 9 times out of 10, it's very hard and you'll just have to rebuild. Then we have Wix or Squarespace. If you're on a platform like that, trying to switch, forget about it. At that point, it's better to just build from scratch. I know there are a lot of platforms out there, and I know it can get overwhelming. But the first thing that you should ask yourself before choosing a platform is, will it be easy to transfer this if I have to move? And if the answer is yes, it's a great platform. If the answer is no, chances are you'll be locked into something that you didn't plan to be locked into. I hope this was helpful. For more tips like this, feel free to follow along.